Good morning, John. Good morning, kids.
Good morning, Grace.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, my sweet girl. Good morning. Come on, everyone. It's morning. Time to wake up.
What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Already? Oh, we need to get ready.
The weather is beautiful today.
Mom, is it Monday?
Yes, Mia, it's Monday.
Oh no, Monday again.
Don't worry. Monday can be a happy day.
Mom, I'm still sleepy.
I know, sweetie. Time to get up. I know, Max. But you need to get up now.
5 more minutes, please.
No. No more minutes. Sit up, please.
Okay, I'm up.
Good job! Now, brush your teeth and wash your face.
Mom, where are my socks?
They are in your drawer next to your bed.
Thank you.
You're very welcome, Mia.
Good morning again, everyone.
John, can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
Please cut the apples.
Wow, it smells good. I'm hungry.
Here are the apples.
Okay, everyone, sit down, please.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
You're very welcome, my loves.
This is the best breakfast. Yeah.
I'm so glad.
Thank you, Grace. The breakfast looks delicious.
You're welcome.
Mia, do you have your homework?
Yes, Dad. It's in my school bag.
Very good.
All ready for school.
That's my girl.
Max, do you have your English book?
Nah, it's in my room.
Please go and get it.
Okay. I have it now.
Wonderful, Max. I'm so proud.
It's 7:40.
Time to go.
I'm ready. Me too.
Let's go, kids.
Have a great day at school.
Have a nice day, Grace.
You too. Bye. Mornings are busy, but I love my family.